Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso machines, and today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni Espresso machine. We did a tune-up, you can see we also replaced the power switch, and now the machine is functioning well. So let's first start by just letting out some steam, show the steam is good, and then pull a shot. See if I can do it with the camera in one hand. Little pre-infusion here. Pull it down, and we get a nice crema. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please take the time to like our video below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to us on our YouTube channel.